You've probably seen the ads, the sleek app promising to save you thousands. But is pocketguard really all it's cracked up to be? Let's dive into the not-so-pretty side of this popular budgeting app. Limited customization. While pocketguard offers a user-friendly interface, its customization options are quite limited. You can't categorize transactions with the granularity you might need. For instance, you can't differentiate between groceries and dining out. This lack of customization can hinder your ability to truly understand your spending habits. Inaccurate categorization. pocketguard relies heavily on automated categorization. While it does a decent job most of the time, it can sometimes misclassify transactions. This can lead to skewed budget projections and inaccurate financial insights. Over-reliance on estimates. pocketguard often uses estimates for future expenses. While this can be helpful for planning, it's not always accurate. Unexpected expenses can throw off your budget, and pocketguard may not always account for them. Potential privacy concerns. Like many financial apps, pocketguard requires access to your bank and credit card information. While the company claims to prioritize security, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks associated with sharing sensitive financial data. Basic features only. While pocketguard offers some helpful features like bill tracking and savings goals, it lacks advanced functionalities found in other budgeting apps. For example, you won't find features like investment tracking or retirement planning. Limited support for multiple accounts. If you have multiple bank accounts or credit cards, pocketguard may struggle to manage them effectively. It's designed for a simpler financial setup and may not be ideal for those with complex financial situations. Subscription model. While there's a free version of pocketguard, the premium version offers additional features. However, the subscription cost might not be worth it for everyone, especially if you're looking for a comprehensive financial management solution. Not ideal for detailed budgeting. If you're a detail-oriented budgeter who likes to track every penny, pocketguard may not be the best fit. Its focus on simplicity can limit your ability to dive deep into your finances. Potential for overspending. While pocketguard aims to help you save money, it can sometimes encourage overspending. The app's focus on safe-to-spend money might lead you to spend more than you initially planned. User experience issues. Some users have reported issues with the app's user interface, especially on smaller screens. The app can be slow to load, and the navigation can be clunky at times. While pocketguard can be a helpful tool for some, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. If you're looking for a simple budgeting app that can help you track your spending, pocketguard might be a good option. However, if you need a more advanced financial management solution, you may want to consider other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.